Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So another day and another ROM we are going to install today in our POCO F1. So today the OS that we're going to install, that is KangOS, and let me tell you guys, this is the first time that I am installing this ROM, this particular ROM in my device. I have heard a lot about this ROM, but I have never installed it. So this will be my very initial and very raw impressions for this particular ROM. So stay tuned if you are interested in that. And just for the information, as always, the link of the download link will be in the description, right? So if you find this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who are also such tech savvy, who likes to install all the ROMs and stuff, right? So first of all, as always, right now I am on .os that I installed yesterday. Trust me, I am a little bit disappointed by the performance, so I won't be doing any gaming test for this. So as always, number one thing that we're going to do is we are going to remove the screen lock, right? So the screen lock will be none in this. As you can see, I'll click here and there is no screen lock, right? So anyways, I am going to completely format the data and then going to install the ROM. And for the people who have any other custom ROM, they're also advised to wipe all the data before installing it, or either you might end it in boot loop. So keep your data backed up as always, right? So as always, what we'll do is we'll go to the TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time. And here we will land to the TWRP section. Right, here we are in the TWRP section, and as always, what I'll do is, number one, just hold on for a second, sometime it takes time. Yeah, so swipe to allow modifications, I'll go to wipe, I'll go to format data, I'll type here as yes, since I don't have any data in my phone, so I'm ready to do this. So I'll click on this, right? So that's how we're gonna do it. And now what I'll do is I will copy the ROM file and I'll see you in the other end. So now here we are, we have successfully copied the file in our internal storage. As you can see, now there will be a file KangOS of version 2.1 and something written over it. You'll click on this and you will swipe to confirm flash. After you do this, there is a cool little, you can see something going on here. Here I think they're not showing the specifications, all that stuff, that is the security patch that most of the ROMs show. So let me just install this and I will see you in the other end, and I'll just fast forward the video from here and I'll catch you up to the side. So as you can see, we have successfully installed KangOS in our device. So I'll click simply on reboot now. So when I click on reboot, it will take around about 2 minutes just to get this device started, and very soon we are going to see the boot animation of KangOS, hopefully. Oh yes, here is an awesome looking unicorn, that this is the logo of this KangOS, and this animation, if you remember, is very much similar, like the Durfist ROM, if you remember, that we installed in a few days back. Anyways, if you're interested, the link will be in somewhere in the I button to the right side of the video. So let's see how this looks. Okay, I'll just do one thing. I'll just set my device up and I will see you people on the home screen of KangOS, right? So as you can see, okay, so there is no setup. Okay, I believe there are no Google apps installed in this phone, so that's why there is no setup required. So I did not knew this. So I'll also mention this stuff in the description for the people who are going to install this. So there are no G apps available, and yet there are animations going around. Let me tell you, just have a look at this. There are animations going around this ROM, and the initial impressions, to me, this ROM looks super smooth. Just have a look. Oh my god, there is a inbuilt music player as well. Don't know if this works with Wi-Fi or what, but okay, we have a stockish camera, I believe, here, definitely. So this is a very stockish camera, and other than that, the dialer is from, I think, Lineage OS or something like that, and messaging is also not from Google because there are no Google services in this ROM. So few things that we always check let me, yeah, there is some transparency in this. There are a lot of stuff going around. Okay, so in the, here we have reboot, here we have kill app. Okay, FPS counter is here, gaming mode is here, compass is here, oh yes, dark theme is here, hotspot and other stuff as well. And there is another option that's called CPU info. I don't know what it does. And another I just found, Headphone Buddy. And let me just connect my headphones and see what this Headphone Buddy does. Okay, so we need to connect the earphones. We'll just connect this up. Okay, so here it is something, I don't know what it is. Let's see. Okay, so I think I broke this. Okay, right one. Okay, so you can actually control the, okay, I think this is causing some problem with this app, I think. Yeah, so if you people are watching this, don't use this for a while, I believe. Okay, so other than that, this I'll just remove this up. Yeah, so other than that, this is how the settings menu look like. Definitely this is whatever this is looking super awesome and very much, you know, customized, as you can see. And here is KangOS lab. I don't know how to call this up, I'll call it KangOS. And here we have all the customizations that are here: status bar, quick settings, buttons, and lock screens and animations. If you people are interested, I can even make a video for this, like all of the customization stuff. So do like the video, at least 20 likes, and I will, you know, make a video on this. I don't know like what metric should I make, so maybe 20 likes, because I'm not that big of a YouTuber right now. So that's how it is. And there will be some battery stuff. Okay, we have thermals here, as you can see. We have thermal profiles. You can, you know, for example, yeah, like, okay, messaging app. So this is something like browsing maybe. Okay, let's just for fun. So now it will take, you know, it will adjust the thermals of the phone according to the browser settings, right? Other than that, we have some maximum charging levels that we can use, I believe. So this will restrict the charging to a particular level. And battery health. Okay, so this is a feature that I have never ever saw in any custom ROM that comes out of the box like this. I think this might need some charging cycles. I'll make a separate video for just this particular feature. I think this is something important. And other than that, we have a battery charging light here. Since we don't have any red blue lights, so we'll just always see this white light here. Yeah, other than that, what do we have here? We have even the battery temperature being shown. And let me just, you know, pull the brightness a little bit down so you people can see it more clearly. Now it's fine. So other than that, let's see what else do we have in the security section. Okay, we have some animations here, and we have fingerprint. Okay, we have face unlock as well. So let me just, okay, I'll definitely check this back. And another thing, you need to focus on this. The phone does not come encrypted out of the box, so you definitely need to encrypt this, right? So this is an issue if that's some problem for you. And this, for the safety net, I don't have, you know, this Play Store installed. So I might have otherwise, you know, checked it right in front of you. Other than that, I'll mention the safety net and other stuff in the description of the video, so do check this out. So the initial impressions are great. This looks super awesome. I don't know, I just find this transparency stuff something a little awkward. Maybe there are some settings that we can, you know, make it opaque or something. So that's how this ROM looked like. And there are some theming options as well. And yeah, there is a lot of stuff going on. This is like, I believe this requires a hell load of another video. So maybe I'll make another one. Just do subscribe to the channel and do let me know if you want a video on this. I'll also be doing a performance test for this particular ROM as well, just to see if this is gaming good or not. I'll be doing an Antutu benchmark and a Geekbench 5 testing on this particular ROM as well. So if you're interested, do subscribe to the channel and watch the video whenever it arrives. Maybe that all that stuff will be tomorrow in front of you, or I'll just make that in tonight. Right, so that's all for this video. And if you're more interested in watching more stuff about ROMs, about apps and stuff, just subscribe to the channel. Trust me, you won't regret. that's how confident I am. So do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. This is our POCO F1. We are the legend, right? Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.